Good afternoon from Texas. So I should take my hat off. So this morning I had two apprentice gardeners working with me this morning. Stephanie, so this is for you. Pride of Barbados bush. I just wanted to show you this because the lady who I'm working with this afternoon, she has this beautiful bush that's in full flower right now, and I wanted to show you, just in case this is what you had at your house, and also to show my apprentices what it is that they're growing. So you can see we have a really beautiful flower on this bush, but then after the flower it gives way to seed pods, and then the seed pods, if I take this one off, the seed pods here inside, it's actually got seeds in. So this is what I had in my vehicle today with me, which we broke open and we took the seeds out. So having planted your seeds, what basically happens with this, in the wild these split and they break and they twist. I don't know if you just saw that one just twisted in my hand as it broke open, and the seeds get ejected out into the landscape. And then if we look down at the bottom of the plant here, hopefully you'll be able to see this. See these little fellas here? These are the new little seedlings that are coming through that have been naturally propagated as a result of the seeds falling. So let me just ping those seeds out, and that hopefully will make some more plants coming through for the future. And that's why these things kind of tend to grow in clumps. It's a beautiful plant. It's all over Texas, and at this time of year it's in full flower and it's absolutely stunning. Just wanted to show you that, particularly to my two young helpers this morning, so they can see what it is. You can see it's bigger than me. Okay, it's bigger than me. So so that's what you're growing for your grandma and grandfather for that border that I trimmed up this morning. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.